Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Mathematics 100 by 100. Now let's take a look at this problem. Here we have a problem where there is a river flowing and a aeroplane is flying at a height of 300 meters above the river, and from the aeroplane we can see the angle of depression from one side to be 45 degree and another side to be 60 degree. So we need to find the width of the river. Now coming to this problem, here we have two triangles. One is triangle ABC and triangle ACD. In triangle ABC, we know that angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, we can say that BC is equal to AC. So that's we are going to write now. In triangle ABC, since angle ABC is equal to angle BAC is equal to 45 degree, we can say that now BC is equal to AC. BC is equal to AC. Therefore, we can say that BC is equal to AC, and the distance AC is already we know that 300 meters. Therefore, it is 300 meters. If we say that BC is equal to X and CD is equal to Y, we need to find the width of the river, which is X plus Y. So therefore, X is equal to 300 meters. This is the first part. Coming back to the second part, we have the another triangle where in triangle ACD, we have tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 is equal to AC by CD, AC divided by CD. So tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AC is 300 meters. We already know that, which is given in the question, and CT is equal to Y as we have named it. Therefore, now Y is equal to 300 by root 3, which is approximately equal to 173.2 meters. So the width of the river is equal to X plus Y, where X is equal to 300 plus Y is equal to 173.2, and the total width of the river is equal to 473.2 meters. This is the total width of the river. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.